Hi guys, I hope you are doing good. I have came up here with the project. I wanted to actually know that how many users are interested in this project. Actually, I want to build this a hotel management system where user can check in, check out, and so on. So basically, this is a template which I want to use in the project, right? Let's say someone want to book this suit, so you can click on this reserve suit, then the tail will be opened. You can click on this book, then you need to fill this booking details, and then he will proceed to the next step, right? So this is a complete project where I'll start it from the scratch, that how you can build its schema, how you can import the template, how you can build the complete booking system with the notifications when someone is booking, so you will also get the notification on his email and so on things. So let me know that how many users are interested. So at least comment this and tell me that are you interested, or I need to build something else which you are interested. So please share your feedback and then I'll start this project. Thank you.